Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen. We have a little bit of these left over from the weekend. We have a bit of this fishy stuff left over for the weekend. Fish cakes. Everybody loves fish cakes. There are thousands of recipes for fish cakes. This is the basic fish cake, and I'll show you how to do it. And it's only got 4 ingredients, so it's super simple. What could possibly go wrong? Cue the music. So you might have some fish left over that you've boiled, who knows. If not, you can buy this fish in a big pack, twice as much as that, well nearly 3 times as much as that, for £3, so it's very economical. We also have spuds, which are there, bit of herbage, melted butter, salt and pepper, and that is it really. It's as simple as that. So if I take the spuds and just give them a mash, and what I don't want is any liquid in this. I don't want any milk or anything like that for them in it. I just want them dry, just like you'll see. And the reason for that is it's because of the way it binds together. There's our mashed potato done, put to one side. Over to the fish. So you can boil the fish, you can steam the fish, you can do it in milk, you do it in water, let it go cold, and just flake the fish off like this. And this is hake, very sustainable, very cheap fish. And like I said, you can get it from any frozen food place. And I bought a bag of this for £3, and this is a third of it, so you've probably got £1 in cost worth here with this. So we need some herbage to go in. This is a little bit of the parsley. Okay, there's our fish, and we'll just add the fish to it. So to that, I'm going to add a little bit of mixed herbs. Like I said, there's thousands of recipes for this. A little bit of mixed herbs will help it go down a treat. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, any big bits. Make sure you've got all the salt and fish all distributed there. Oops, it's alive! It's alive! So once you're happy with that mixture that we're going to use, we're going to make some of our fish cakes. So we need to make them, let them rest, just to firm up. So you can use all sorts of things to make them with. I mean, you can use like cookie cutters like this, and there you go. Fill it in there. So it's up to you how you do it. You can do it by hand, freeform. I'm quite lucky. I bought this many moons back. So I'll actually use this instead. But if you haven't got one, like I said, not an issue. So start to fill your mould like that. If you're using a cookie cutter, then just get a mug to force it down. This has got its own little extension thing here, so I can actually push it down and twist it. That's probably about as thick as I want, so I'm happy with that. And I give that a twist. And then what we'll do, we'll push it out through the bottom. So that gives us a nice perfect fish cake. Our first lot done. We'll get our second lot there. I'll put them in the fridge for about an hour, or even overnight if you really wanted to. Let them firm up, and then what we'll do then is we'll cook them. So I'm thinking, while that is, or while they are firming up, why don't I make a coleslaw? That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Make a coleslaw. Mayo. And to get the tang, whether you like it or not, it's a little bit sour cream. That's just as good as you buy in the shop. Set them all in order. So flour, seasoned flour. Okay. So let's get our first cake. There's our seasoned flour. Quickly in that. Into the egg. Into the breadcrumbs. There's number one. So I had these on a medium heat, and I've just turned them down a tiny bit. And I dare say I'll take it back up. I just don't want to cook too fast, that's the only thing. Ooh, starting to look good.